Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm sharing our process for breaking down and leaving an RV campsite. We start inside. I clean up the trailer, making sure everything is put away and nothing is left on the floor. Then I strap down our TV, secure our bathroom door, and use child locks to secure cabinets. Everything that could fall and break or roll under a slide out is put away and secured. Of course, our windows are closed, the lights are turned off, and the awning is put in. If you have a TV antenna, that should also be put down. Once the inside is secured, we head outside. We turn off the propane, turn off the water heater, and sweep off any debris on the top of the slide out. At this particular campsite, we don't have a sewer hookup, so we'll empty our tanks later at the dump station. We do turn off the water at the campsite, then disconnect the hose. Since we're traveling between destinations, we also make sure